Welcome to Bayzat Finance Ops, your end-to-end module for vendor invoices, employee reimbursements, and the approval flows that keep finance moving. In this video, we'll show you what's in the module and how to navigate it, and answer the most common questions about accounts payable and work expenses in Bayzat. Accounts Payable manages the complete invoice lifecycle. Upload by drag and drop or email. OCR auto-extracts vendor and amounts, then route through configurable approval flows. Vendor management is your single source of truth. Bank details, contact persons, and credit notes for every supplier you pay. Work Expenses handles every employee reimbursement. Receipts upload via OCR, multi-level approvals, then sync straight to payroll for settlement. Inside the module, Bayzat handles every step of finance operations. Accounts Payable shows you 6 status tabs: Draft, Pending Approval, Rejected, Approved, Paid and Cancelled, with summary cards for pending, overdue, paid, and total vendors at a glance. Vendor Management gives you a searchable directory of every supplier. Add new vendors with bank accounts, contact persons, and credit notes all in one place. Employee Work Expenses surfaces every reimbursement by status: pending requests, approved, rejected, added to payroll, and settled. With one-click accept and reject actions for managers. Pending Approval keeps the invoice queue clean. View the PDF, see who must act, approve in one click, or move it back if the details need correcting. Common questions about Bayzat Finance Ops. What is Bayzat Finance Ops? Bayzat Finance Ops is an end-to-end module that manages vendor invoices and employee reimbursements, combining accounts payable, vendor management, and work expenses with configurable multi-level approval flows. Use it to centralize every payable, automate approvals, and settle reimbursements through payroll. What is Bayzat Accounts Payable? Accounts Payable manages the full invoice lifecycle. Upload manually or via email. OCR auto-extracts vendor and amounts, route through approval flows, mark as paid, with optional dual authorization and multi-factor authentication for sensitive payments. Track invoices across 6 status tabs: Draft, Pending Approval, Rejected, Approved, Paid, and Cancelled. How do I upload and approve invoices in Bayzat? From Finance Ops, then Accounts Payable, click Upload Invoice, drag a PDF or image into the drop zone, and OCR fills in vendor and amounts automatically. Submit to route through your approval flow, then approve from the Pending Approval tab, and mark as paid when the bank transfer is done. How do I manage vendors in Bayzat? From Finance Ops, then Vendor Management, click Add New Vendor, enter the vendor details, then add bank accounts, contact persons, and credit notes from the tabs in the vendor detail view. Every invoice is linked to a vendor, so accurate vendor records keep payments routed correctly. How does Bayzat Work Expenses handle reimbursements? Employees submit expenses with receipts, OCR extracts the amount, and the expense routes through your approval flow, line manager, then expense manager, or any combination you configure. Approved expenses sync to payroll, and the Settled tab confirms the reimbursement reached the employee. Can employees submit expenses from their phone? Yes, the Bayzat mobile app on iOS and Android lets employees snap receipts on the go. OCR autofills the form, they pick a category and submit. 5 status tabs: Incomplete, Pending Requests, Approved, Rejected, and Settled. Keep them informed at every step. Bayzat is the all-in-one HR platform built for the GCC, helping companies supercharge their payments, processes, and people.